You reach Tint Monkey at 632-210-8000. 2012 Ford F350 XLT Super Duty. Again, this is a 2012 Ford XLT Super Duty. We completely window tinted this vehicle and absolutely came out perfect. First, we had to strip all the old film off to put new film on, and check out how clean this vehicle came out. Driver's front door, passenger back door. Let's go to the passenger side. Passenger front door, passenger back door. This vehicle absolutely came out perfect. If you like this kind of workmanship, call Tint Monkey at 623-210-8000. Again, this is a Ford F350 Super Duty 2012 XLT. Again, give us a call at 623-210-8000. Call, rate, God bless, give us a thumbs up, and especially subscribe. Oops.